What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Louise, and on this channel I talk mainly about hair, but this year I'm taking my channel in a little bit of a different direction, and we're going to be talking about topics like self-love and self-mastery. So if that is something that is of interest of you, then go ahead and click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. If you are a returning viewer or subscriber, then welcome back. Y'all already know how I get down. No long intros over here. Let's jump straight into the video. Alright, y'all, so I'm just going to give a little disclaimer before. This video is for people who are trying to create clip-ins who have an actual sewing machine. If you want to see a video of how to create clip-ins without a sewing machine, then I'm going to link a video that I did a couple of years ago on how to create clip-ins by hand. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create clip-ins on a sewing machine, how to actually attach the clip to the wefted hair, as well as how to install the clip-ins. Oh, and I'm gonna throw a little razzle dazzle in there because y'all know I can't just leave y'all hanging. I gotta style it as well. I'm going to be using some clip-ins that I brought from my local beauty supply store. These are by the brand Annie, and it's 12 wig clips. Now, they say wig clips, but they're in the beauty supply store. They could also say something different. They could say clips, just regular clips. They don't have to say wig clips, but this is what they look like. So they come in different sizes, small, medium, and large. They look like this, and you're able to snap them closed, snap them open. From the side, this is what it looks like open. From the side, this is what it looks like closed. All right, so this is the hair that I'm gonna be using. It's just some kinky, curly, wefted hair. I went ahead and cut the wefts so that I have a smaller piece to work with so that you all can see what I am working with. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using a white bobbin so you can see the thread on the top and the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to place my wefts close together. As you can see here, I have a black thread, white thread. The black is going to be on the top, the white is going to be on the bottom. And I'm going to place my wefts close together. And then I'm going to start about an inch above where the actual weft starts. And then I'm going to drop my presser foot and then start sewing and then back stitch. The reason why I do this is because it's harder to start at the very edge of the weft. So I start a little bit ahead and then go backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, and then take off. When you're done, the weft should look something like this. The two holes that are at the very top of the clips, this hole right here and this top hole right here, I'm going to be attaching that to the back side of my weft. The way you'll know it's the back is because the front is smooth and the back is where the wefts, you can see the doubling of the wefts. This is the weft and this is the clip-in. I'm going to take the clip-in and place it right on the end of the weft. Now to test to make sure that the clip is actually on the right side, meaning the side that can go onto your scalp, you want to open up the clip like so and make sure that the teeth are facing outward. You want to make sure the teeth are outward. So then I close the clip so that it's easier for me to sew it on, and then I just begin to sew. I sew through this top hole. All the way through the weft. And then I come back around and sew back through that hole again. I do this about 2 times and then I move on to the second hole. The second hole being this one right here in the right corner. I'm going to take that needle and thread and push it through that top hole and through those 2 wefts. To secure the needle or to secure the thread, I'm just going to go back underneath the weft, underneath the thread that I previously did, and create a knot. So this is what it should look like. All right, so we're going to be doing this side now. Same concept. Open the clip on the outside to make sure that your teeth are facing outward. Place it at the edge of the weft and start sew in the hole and through the wefts. Alright, so now we have this clip in, and then we have this clip in.
Woo! Look at the bitch braids.
So I'm starting off with a weft with 2 clips attached to it. I'm just going to open up both of those clips. Then I'm going to place those clips at the nape of my head. I'm taking the actual combs and I'm placing them inside of my braids. After I feel the comb is secure, that's when I go ahead and close the clip in. I'm just going to repeat this process all the way up till I get to about the top of my ear. Ensuring that the clips are open, I'm going to place them inside of my braids, ensuring that they are secure, and then once I feel they're secure, I'm going to go ahead and close them. As you go further up the head, you'll see that more clips are being added to the clip-in. This one has 3. I'm doing the same thing except I'm starting in the middle. I tend to find that it's easier when you start in the middle. Now that I'm at my ears, I'm going to go ahead and start taking these wefts and curving them around the front of my face. I'm facing the hair outward to give me the bang effect. I'm going to take this next weft, and where I finished the last weft, I'm going to start with this new weft. I'm just going to continue in a circular motion until I'm closed all the way up at the top. Yep, you guessed it, quick weave style. Once I'm at this last area, I'm going to use the smallest clips that I made, which have 2 clips attached to them.
I'm going to clip one clip to the front and one clip to the back. The objective is for both of them to meet. Once you are finished, you should have something that looks like this. Because of the texture of the hair and the color of the hair, you can barely tell that these are clip-ins and that the wefts are still there. If you want it to be a little bit more discreet, just tease the hair at the root. Alright you guys, so here are the final results. Bomb. Yes, bomb. Let me know down in the comment section what you think and if you'd rock a hairstyle like this. And let me know if you guys want to see me style these clip-ins any other way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye.